They say success leaves clues. So why do the world's smartest investors obsess over one number? Not a million, not 10 million, just $100,000. Today we're breaking down why hitting six figures is the hardest part of building wealth, and why everything changes once you do stick around. This might just be the mindset shift you've been waiting for. Charlie Munger, billionaire investor and Warren Buffett's right-hand man, once said, "The first $100,000 is a beach. And if you're grinding just to get there," you know exactly what he means. But why is that number so damn hard to hit? And more importantly, what changes after you do? Let's break it down. When you're starting out, you're fighting an uphill battle. Your money isn't working for you yet. You are doing all the work. You're saving out of your paycheck bit by bit, wondering if any of it even matters. Let's be honest, saving $5,000 feels good. But when that earns just $500 a year, it doesn't feel life-changing. Now imagine having $100,000 at just a 10% return. That's $10,000 a year doing nothing. No overtime, no hustle, just compound interest. That's when things start to shift. Once you hit 100K, the next 100K comes faster. Then 300K, then 500K soon. The snowball is rolling, and all you have to do is keep it moving. Because now your money works with you, not against you. If this is hitting home so far, do me a quick favor. Hit the like button to boost this message to others grinding just like you. And subscribe if you want more no-fluff financial content that actually makes sense. Now, let's get back to it. Most of us wait. We say, "I'll invest when I have more money." But that's like saying, "I'll plant a tree when it's already tall." It doesn't make sense. You invest because you want more, not because you already have enough. Once you pass that six-figure mark, you gain options, want to quit your job and start a business. You've got a buffer. Want to invest in a high-risk, high-reward opportunity? You can do it without risking everything. That's the real power of money, not just what it buys, but the freedom it gives you. Here's the kicker. It's often small sacrifices that get you there. Skip the $100 dinner, start that weekend side hustle. Choose a used car over a brand new one. Not forever, just until you hit your goal. Because every $100 you invest today could become $1,000 tomorrow. And once you feel that momentum, it's addictive. Building wealth is slow at first. Frustrating, feels like nothing's happening. But once you hit 100K, that's when the game changes. That's when compounding starts doing the heavy lifting. That's when you start seeing real growth. So if you're still climbing toward that number, keep going. You're closer than you think. And the best part, once you're there, everything gets easier. Drop a comment with your current money goal. We're all on this journey together. And remember to subscribe for more content to help you hit your first 100K and beyond.